So whether you style wigs, make wigs, or just like to wear wigs like me, this 22-inch mannequin headset is definitely a good option. So first of all, look at everything that it comes with. You get the mannequin head itself, you get pins, clips, combs, wig caps, you get the tripod that's adjustable, you get the piece that goes on the table, you get all the stuff that comes with it, so you really don't need anything else. I like the fact that the mannequin head is super lightweight, but it's really sturdy. And it has this nice canvas on the outside, but inside it has the cork. So as you can see, the pins will easily go through it. So your wig is going to stay nice and secure. It will not go anywhere. It also comes with this adjustable metal tripod stand, which makes it super convenient. So you can go ahead and set up wherever you want. Besides the tripod, I really love this piece. It can hook on to the edge of a table. This table is pretty thick, so for the sake of the video, I'm gonna hook it onto the windowsill, but this part opens up and you can just securely fit it on to most tables. Just go ahead and tighten it up, and it really holds so well, so you can move, and this ball also will move around with the mannequin head. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, I can adjust the angle to where I want it, and I can go ahead and comb, and it's staying nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. It's going where I want it to go. So yeah, this wig stand is definitely perfect for, you know, someone who is making wigs, styling wigs, if you just need to display your wig, content creators, whatever you need it for. It is a really good buy, and it comes with so much. You get so much bang for your buck, so I highly recommend.